Hi everybody, if you're going to be going to any open houses this weekend, we wanted to share a few tips with you on things you might want to look for. So if you're pulling up to the house, the first thing you wanted to take a look at is the exterior of the home. You want to pay close attention for any deferred maintenance, and then how's the condition of the roof? Do you see anything up there that might be of concern? Because that might show some other things inside the house that you might want to look for. The next thing you wanted to take a look for in the house is the layout of the house. Is it something that you've been looking for? Does it have enough space? Does it have enough closet space? You want to definitely pay close attention to bathroom closets, and then bedroom closets. And then the last thing that you would want to look for is the privacy. Take a look outside the windows. Can you see your neighbors? Are you happy with how big the property is? And is it going to be private enough for you and your family? And of course, if you need anything, we're always here for you. Feel free to give us a call or go to our website, to our pre-qualification center, and we are happy to help. Good luck out there. And then the last thing you want to pay attention to is the house stinky? Are we saying this? Okay. So you want to trust your nose. So do you smell anything in the house? What am I saying?
Nose.
You put the nose.